So we are going to start with basic browsing, with so-called patient browsing. It's a rudimentary interface to access the distributed database, from which you can specify different fields that you're looking for. And essentially, if you click on the Find Patients, you will get, without specifying any search criteria, you will get the list of all patients stored in the system. What you can see here is a list of rows. Each row is one patient, and the ID, the identification that you see here is a pseudonym. So it's a long string of characters that prevents you from tracing back the identity of our patients. Just before I mentioned this peer-to-peer patient privacy connectivity, so if we go down the list, actually if I sort the list using that specific field here, I can see that one has a special green mark on the left. That is one patient that has private data attached that was found within the peer-to-peer patient privacy network. All right. Once I'm here, I can do various things. So I can select a patient, for instance, and then from the list of applications, take an appropriate application for what I want to do. For instance, I can open the patient folder and have a look at the attached records of the patient. So here, what you see on the left is a graphical representation of the patient's records. These records can be of different types. You can have clinical variables, physical examinations, medical imaging, genetics, and so on. All this is stored in the system according to an integrated data model and graphically displayed here as a tree on the left. So, for instance, if I dig down to this patient here, let me take a patient that has some images, for instance, that I know of. There we go. So here, you can see that some DICOM series were attached to the patient, and for the different types, we provide different possibilities in terms of actions, in terms of applications in the system. So when the interface detects that I'm browsing images, it provides me with a different list of actions. So for instance, I can say, I now want to view this DICOM series, so I want to view this image, this particular image from the system. And it fetches it from the grid. I don't have to bother where the records are physically stored. The grid is doing this for me. And I retrieve the anonymized data on my computer for visualization. All operations that are available from this interface are in fact operations handled by the access point within the hospital. So we have a process. So for instance, if I ask for refreshing my cache, this will be more obvious. I have an operation manager which handles everything that you request to the system in an asynchronous way. So I can download various records at the same time. It's just like when you're browsing the web and downloading some files. The same applies for uploading records, like uploading new images to that patient and so on.